Hi, this is DangerMan, the urban superhero, and this is another DangerMan moment. Well, this is a weather alert for Los Angeles, okay? Severe winds and rains are predicted from last night into today, which is Wednesday. Today, which is Tuesday. There was winds going as high as from 25 to 65 miles an hour. There's increased rain. So, guys, be careful out there, okay? And let's see, wind advisory was another issue, January, okay. At strong winds, they're saying strong winds across the interior portions of Southwest California. So that includes Los Angeles, guys. And again, if you're in any high-pro vehicles, be careful. Watch out, because you could turn over, all right, on the highway. Yes, turn over on the highway. We don't want that to happen, okay? So, just be prepared. Next couple of days are going to be really tricky here in Los Angeles, all right? So I want you guys to know the danger that's out there so you can be prepared to deal with it and be safe and keep your family safe, all right? Okay, this is DangerMan, and of course I'm the urban superhero, and this is another DangerMan moment. Okay, love you guys. Be careful, be safe. Bye.